enjoy endless food trip. Kahit gaano ka-crunchy ang mga foods, ngiting protektibay pa rin with personal collection alert anti-cavity toothpaste, allowing you to enjoy your favorite foods worry-free with non-stop ultra-cavity defense. It has fluoride that works non-stop to strengthen tooth enamel against bacterial attacks and reinforces areas with stronger foaming action. Make sure your teeth are strong and protected from bacteria and cavities to allow yourself to enjoy crunchy or hard food and endless food trips by using Alert Anti-Cavity Toothpaste. It strengthens teeth, prevents cavities, helps soothe dry mouth, freshens breath, and can last up to 400 brushes. Must try talaga ito, kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check this out via personal collection authorized dealers, via my yellow basket, blue and orange app.